Morning. Welcome to Sanjay Godawat IIT Medical Academy. This is Subramaniam, Zoology faculty. So today, in this session, we are going to discuss that one more phylum of animal kingdom, that is Aschelminthes, Nematoda, Helminthes. So these all are different variety of Aschelminthes. Yes, let us see that what is the meaning of this word Aschelminthes, Helminthes. Okay. Aschelminthes. Helminths बोले तो worms. Asch means bladder or round. Okay. So these are known as roundworms or bladderworms or hookworms, whipworms, different general names से उसको बोलते. So but here major reason why they are called as in generally roundworms बोले तो if we are cut their body, the body will be round it is. So due to this reason they are known as roundworms. Okay, ऐसा बोल के different variety of organisms जो earthworms if you take that उसको भी cut करने तो body round है लेकिन उसको भी राउंड वर्म्स बोलते क्या नहीं. सो बेस्ड ऑन सम कैरेक्टर्स दे आर डिफाइन दिस एज ए राउंड वर्म्स. ओके, यस, लेट अस सी दैट फर्स्ट पॉइंट व्हाट दे गिवन. द बॉडी of the Aschelminthes is circular in cross section. That is only the meaning of this phylum. Okay, in cross section the body is circular. Okay, hence the name roundworms बोलते. Round body is circular in cross section, that's why they are called as roundworms. Next, they may be free living or aquatic and terrestrial. So they are free living organisms in this phylum, aquatic and terrestrial. So this is a mode of living. So free living organism may be free living बोले तो they are some are free living and some are कौन सा parasitic forms also available. So free living, parasitic, and they are aquatic, terrestrial. So in various modes these are, and parasitic है तो they are parasitic on plants as well as animals also. Okay, so this is the first slide, 2 points. What is the meaning of this phylum? And next one, they are acts like a parasitic, free living. Okay, so parasitic है तो they are on plant and animals, acts like a parasitic, and they may aquatic or terrestrial. Okay, so this is only this slide. So here diagram हम cut करने तो then it will be visible like this one, round spherical it is. So human beings may mostly they are present in the intestine or lymphatic system, okay, or in the stomach. So most of the areas these are. Okay, एक बात हम याद में रखना ही, सभी parasites और सभी pathogens, सभी antigens, they may not invade one system. Okay, they are present in various locations. Okay. Now, next slide. See that first point it is, roundworms have organ system level of organization. So this organ system level, tissue level, cellular level, ये पूरा हम basis of classification, okay, already in last classes में देखा. So here organ system level of organization we can observe that. Okay, next one, they are bilaterally symmetrical. ये bilaterally symmetrical है. ओके, बायलैटरल सिमेट्रिकल बोले तो हमको पता है ना. सो ऑर्गेनिज्म को थ्रू द सेंट्रल एक्सिस in only one plane we are going to divide as two mirror images, anti-mirrors, that is right side, left side. So that's why it is called as a bilateral, two laterals will be. Okay, next one, triploblastic बोले तो tri means how many? So that is 3. So here these organisms they contains the ectoderm. Next one कौन सा बेटा? mesoderm, and last one कौन सा? inner one, yes, endoderm. endoderm. So these the three layers are present. That's why these are called as a triploblastic. And pseudocoelomates bola. Pseudocoelomates here. Original coelom is not present. That's why pseudocoelomates. This is a false or fake coelom is present in these organisms. बोले तो so in between the original coelom का definition हमको पता है ना, ये endoderm and ये ectoderm. इन दोनों के बीच में जो mesoderm है ना, that will be arranged as a pouches जैसा अरेंज होते. इसके pouches के बाहर जो है ना, that is called as a pseudocoelom बोलते. pseudocoelom. Don't misunderstand that this is only which one pseudocoelom. So our pseudocoelom का और एक डायग्राम भी हम ड्रा कर सकते. रिसेंट नीट एग्जाम में वही दे दिया. So this is the endoderm and this is the ectoderm. Okay, इन दोनों के बीच में mesoderm is present. Mesoderm is present here. Mesoderm is present. Now here, if we observe that here tissues are present, tissues, organs are present. There may be no cavity here in between the mesoderm and ectoderm. So here there is no place. Tissues, organs are present, but there will be a gap in between the mesoderm and endoderm. So this is also considered as which one pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom को कंसिडर कर सकते इसको भी. मीन्स ओरिजिनल सीलोम मीन्स गैप इन बिटवीन दी आर कैविटी इन बिटवीन mesodermal layers, parietal peritoneum and visceral peritoneum. But here if we observe that ectoderm, mesoderm, इधर देखो येलो कलर endoderm, इन दोनों के बीच में जो गैप है इसको भी हम pseudocoelom जैसा कंसिडर करते, क्योंकि mesodermal layers के बीच में नहीं है इधर कैविटी इज प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन विच वन endoderm and mesoderm. So this is also recent NEET एग्जाम में so थोड़ा सा एप्लीकेशन में क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया. ओके, सो pseudocoelom को ये भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट alimentary canal is complete. Alimentary canal is complete. So what is the meaning of alimentary canal is complete बोले तो here alimentary canal को हम लेने तो alimentary canal is a tube-like structure. This tube having the two openings. One is entrance and another one is exit. ये entrance को बोलते mouth and exit को बोलते anus. So this is known as a complete digestive system. जो digestive system में both openings, entrance of food, mouth, exit of undigested unabsorbed food, that is anus. ये दोनों openings है तो separate, that is called as a complete digestive system. Up to now we may not see that complete digestive system, incomplete digestive system only. In this phylum first they contains this complete digestive system. Here mouth is present. Okay, this is mouth, and the next one is this is anus. Here it is. So complete digestive system. Here organ system level of organization we can observe that with well developed. और एक important character here, well developed. So statements में इसको थोड़ा सा change करके दे सकते हैं बेटा. Developed word है तो ऐसा ही हो सकते, not well developed, poorly developed देते एग्जाम में. सो वो गलत हो जाएगा. सो वेल डेवलप्ड मस्कुलर और एक प्रॉपर्टी भी है इधर, वेल डेवलप्ड मस्कुलर फैरिंग्स. सो वेल डेवलप्ड पूरा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है क्या? नहीं है. सो फैरिंग्स ओनली, फैरिंग्स रीजन इज अ वेल डेवलप्ड मस्कुलर फैरिंग्स इज प्रेजेंट. इट इज लिटिल बिट अपडेटेड कैरेक्टर. ओके, सो हियर कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम विथ वेल डेवलप्ड मस्कुलर फैरिंग्स. Compulsory you have to remember that. Here well developed बोले तो mouth and anus and here muscular pharynx also present. Okay, important है, statement देने का chance ज़्यादा है. Next one, an excretory system के बारे में बोल रहे. An excretory tube removes body waste from the body cavity through which one? Excretory pore. इधर एक opening will be there, and this excretory pore helps in the removing of excretory products from the body. Excretory tube is there. The tube will be going to collect the total excretory matter from the body cavity and through the opening. देखो इधर excretory tube. So this is excretory tube इधर mention किया. ये येलो कलर में शायद अच्छे से नहीं दिखते. So this is a excretory opening, excretory tube. So through this tube, it will be collects the waste matter from the body cavity and बाद में through the excretory pore it is released that outside. So this is about excretory system. Okay, ये भी remember करना ही थोड़ा सा important है. Excretory tube removes body waste. Okay, generally हमको मालूम है कौन सा nephrons, nephridia, so different variety of excretory organs, malfeasant tubules, and next one antennary glands, green glands, coxal glands. So इधर वैसे excretory organ is excretory tube क्योंकि उतना developed नहीं है ना, primitive excretory tube which collects the waste matter and sends that outside through the excretory pore. Next one. Here sexual dimorphism will be exhibited. Males and female worms will be separate. हम देखते तो भी उसको पता चलेगा. Okay. So male worms कौन सा कैरेक्टर्स है, फीमेल वर्म्स का कैरेक्टर्स क्या है. इधर देखने तो दिस इज विच वन, दिस इज फीमेल वर्म, लार्जर वन फीमेल वर्म इट इज. इधर this is a female worm and this is the male worm. How we can identify is that male female बोले तो males it is smaller than female. ये smaller है, ये male smaller than the female. Female is larger. It is larger than the male organism. So this is a female and this is a male. And here NCERT में mention किया according to that this is the which one female and this is a male organism. Okay. So next point हम देखने तो posterior end. So this is anterior and this is the posterior. This is anterior and this is the posterior. So posterior end is curved in males. So males में posterior end curved it is. So it is a spring like. Okay. Tail region is curved. But females में observe किया तो tail end is, so this is not curved, it is a straight line like, it is a straight line like it is a posterior end. So here straight line, straight it is. Next one, two equal chitinous spicules are penile setae projected through cloacal aperture. Okay, here some words introduced. Point, two equal chitinous spicules are present or penile setae projected through cloacal aperture. So penile setae, these are at the end. So here two equal, those are कौन सा chitinous penile setae or chitinous spicules are projected through cloacal aperture. So ये cloacal aperture क्या है? Aperture बोले तो nothing but opening. Cloaca बोले तो it is a common chamber into which कौन सा digestive system, next one is excretory system, reproductive system, ये तीन number of systems will be going to opens into this a common chamber that is called as a cloacal. Different organisms में इसका structure थोड़ा सा different हो सकते, okay, but here primitively cloacal it is going to opens to outside through the cloacal aperture. Okay, तो through this cloacal aperture ये penile setae one pair equal in size they are projected outside. Here penile setae or spicules are absent, females में नहीं होते. So if we observe these organisms, okay, कौन सा ये ascaris है, roundworm है, okay, so ये organisms में and most of the roundworms में asexual dimorphism compulsory we are going to observe. So female organisms are larger than the male organisms. Here original worms are there and mostly we can easily observe that and identifies that which one female organism is larger and males का anterior portion को छोड़े तो female male का posterior portion will be curved. So this is. And if we clearly observe that here last two lines like structures will be, that is only called as nothing but penile setae or equal chitinous spicules. Those are helps in the copulation. Those are not present in the females. So size one character. Next one is tail region, another character, or posterior region, another character, and posterior region में ये pineal setae or chitinous spicules, another character. So these are very important character here. Question पूछने का भी chances है इसके बारे में. Okay. Next slide. Yes, fertilization is internal fertilization. So fertilization internal बोले तो क्या है बेटा? So male organism is introduce the which one male gametes into the female organism. So this is called as a insemination. Then there only which one male and female gametes are going to fuse. So that is called as a fertilization. So fertilization is internal, means male and female gametes are going to fuse inside the फीमेल ऑर्गेनिज्म बॉडी, फीमेल जेनिटल अपर्चर में ये फ्यूजिंग प्रोसेस होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन. एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन बोले तो क्या है? एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन बोले तो मेल female organisms, they are going to release their gametes outside, and outside of the body they are going to fuses and forms the zygote. This is outside है ना, इसलिए this is called as external fertilization बोलते. But here male gametes inseminate and inseminated by male into the female reproductive tract, there only fertilization will be takes place. That's why it is called as a internal fertilization. And development may be direct or indirect. So ये डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट क्या है बोले तो, डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट बोले तो मदर से यानी एग से जो एंगवन आते, दैट विल बी सिमिलर टू दी मदर और देयर स्पीसीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट बोले तो इधर लार्वल फॉर्म्स, लार्वासु, प्यूपासु, ओके, निम्फ्स, वैसा डिफरेंट स्टेजेस होते. सो थ्रू दिस स्टेजेस इट विल बी अंडरगोस दी प्रोलॉन्ग्ड और it will be takes some time. So after that it will be across these all stages undergoes the development, and finally this process is called as a metamorphosis. Metamorphosis बोले तो meta means developed, morphosis means finally when it is crosses across these larval stages to pupas to nymphs, then they will be develops the same species adult characters. So that is only meta means developed, morphosis means morphology. So morphologically it is similar, okay, with adult organism or mother. So by this process metamorphosis, at the end they develops the same species characters. That is called as a metamorphosis. Indirect development or development may be direct or indirect हो सकते. indirect है तो larval forms होते. So this is a rhabditiform larva, Uchreria larva. So different variety of larval forms. This is Ascaris larval form. Okay. So Ascaris roundworms. Again same diagram only it is. Examples these are. Now Uchreria. So Uchreria, it is known as a filarial worm. इसको elephantiasis यानी हाथी रोग बोलते. Elephant leg like. If it is infected, our lymphatic system will be going to damage, and by that slowly, particularly lower limbs, not upper limbs, lower limbs in generally frequently affected, and rarely males may testicles, females may mammary glands also affected by this one. So affected part will be swollen. Generally legs may na that infected leg after years, 4-5 years, slowly it will be going to swollen, and final stage में it is like elephant leg जैसा होते. So infected portion में rough हो जाएगा skin, and sebaceous glands inactivate होगा, sweat gland भी properly काम नहीं करते, senseless हो जाएगा, and color भी loss होगा, elephant जैसा थोड़ा सा dark color, and leg का size भी ज़्यादा होते. So that's why it is called as a elephantiasis or filariasis. This is a filarial worm. Okay, इसमें भी males and females shows the sexual dimorphism. So इसमें Uchreria is caused by, Uchreriasis is caused by, filariasis is caused by Uchreria malai and Uchreria bancrofti. Okay, 2 species से होते. Even ये lova another roundworm, African eyeworm बोलते इसको. Next one, ancylostoma. This is known as a hookworm. Ancylostoma is a hookworm बोलते इसको. So इधर both worms is here also male and female sexual dimorphism will be there. So whatever it may be, the males and females like a hook like it is. That's why they are called as a hookworm. This is the classification of phylum Nematoda Aschelminthes. Here this phylum Aschelminthes Nematoda is divided as two classes. So these classes are, one is Phasmidia and another one is Amphidia. Based on this sense organs present in this organism, they are categorized as two classes briefly. Okay. Next, yes, time to discuss the questions now. Here, first question they given. Once you read the question and guess the options, okay, correct option को guess करना है. Simple question is this: Aschelminthes are generally known as Aschelminthes are generally known as which one? Flatworms. Flatworms नहीं है ना, उसको separate phylum is the roundworms. So generally these are known as roundworms. And tapeworms, flatworms only. Bloodworms, those are different worms. So this is not suitable for this one. Okay, so second option is correct for this one. Aschelminthes generally known as roundworms. Okay na? Now, second question is, a feature of Aschelminthes is, feature of Aschelminthes, like a distinct feature of the unique feature of Aschelminthes. Incomplete gut. Incomplete gut है तो नहीं है, इधर complete gut is present. Acoelomates नहीं, is pseudocoelomates है. Muscular pharynx, yes. So these organisms में first time muscular pharynx will be observed. Okay, and eucoelomates. These are not eucoelomates. Those are pseudocoelomates. So correct option is third option. So these are contains a एक यूनिक फीचर, लाइक यूनिक फीचर बोले तो इसमें ही बोले तो नेक्स्ट फाइलम्स में है, अभी तक देखने तो जो फाइलम्स है उसमें ये ऑर्गेनिजम्स फर्स्ट टाइम दे डेवलप्स द मस्कुलर फैरिंग्स. नेक्स्ट वन देखो क्वेश्चन को. राउंडवर्म्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम flatworms by the presence of. So roundworms are differ from flatworms. So roundworms कैसे differ होते हैं flatworms से? So flame cells, excretory organs here, and acoelomates नहीं होते. नेक्स्ट वन कंप्लीट गट. सो दिस इज, ये फ्लैटवर्म्स में कंप्लीट गट नहीं है, इनकम्प्लीट गट है, इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. पैरासाइट्स में ऑब्जर्व किया तो टीनिया सोलियम जैसा उसमें डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम भी रिड्यूस्ड है. ओके, सो the third option is correct. And segmented body, either segmented body nahi, original segmentation observed in Annelida, Arthropoda and even chordates also. Okay, so but pseudo segmentation we can observe that in nematoda mein nahi hote, that is a platyhelminthes mein hote. Either segmentation, pseudo segmentation is not observed. So this is a different character from the flatworms. Okay, complete gut. Next question. Yes, in Ascaris roundworm it is, अभी तक हम जो डायग्राम्स दे दिया ना वही Ascaris का. Excretory material is sent outside. Excretory material is sent outside of the body by which one? Body wall. Body wall नहीं है, गलत है. नेक्स्ट फ्लेम सेल्स. फ्लेम सेल्स है तो फ्लैटवर्म्स में है. नेक्स्ट वन इज नेफ्रीडिया. नेफ्रीडिया भी नहीं है, अनिलेडा अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स में नेफ्रीडिया हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. इधर एक्सक्रीटरी ट्यूब एंड एक्सक्रीटरी पोर. एक्सक्रीटरी ट्यूब कलेक्ट्स द वेस्ट फ्रॉम द एंटायर बॉडी कैविटी एंड दैट विल बी एलिमिनेट दैट फ्रॉम द बॉडी थ्रू द एक्सक्रीटरी पोर. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सो नाउ टुडे the topic was completed. We will meet in another session. Thank you so much.